Hello, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life, and it's like, oh, dark 30 here. Guys, it is just 7:11 and it is pitch black outside. So times are changing. But I'm here tonight, which I'm usually not here on a Monday night, but I am tonight because I was kind of perusing Juvia'S Place website on Friday when I was home with a little eye infection and bored, and I thought I would try the Halloween mystery box from Juvia'S Place. So it arrived today. Here it is, and I am going to unbox it with you. So I have my little box opener. I'm gonna rip it right open. Get it. And see, it's my first time ordering one, and we'll see what's inside. Let me tell you that the mystery box is a $16 box valued at $58. You get a couple of products in here at their discretion, and that's why it's called a mystery box. I ordered it, like I said, on Friday. I used my Rakuten and I got 4% cash back, which I suggest you do. I will put possibly my Rakuten referral, I think I may put it down in the drop box. So if you're not a Rakuten user, that you can use that and get 4% off. It gives you a $30 credit, I think, and me as well. Also, if you have any coupon codes or anything like that from Juvia'S Place that you're aware of, I think you should try to use those. I didn't have any because I don't order that often from Juvia'S Place, but if you have any, try to use those. So what do you get in this mystery box? First of all, the box is just a plain brown box. It's not very big, and it isn't as elaborate looking as it is online, so you don't get that fancy. I'm looking at it here. It's a black purple box with like spooky things on the outside, and it looks kind of like boo or whatever. No, what you get is just a plain box, and in it you get several products that they choose for you. You get 2 eye makeup products, 1 face product, 1 lip product, and this is a limited time offer while supplies last. So let's go through this. Now, if there's anything in here that I have already, I will be adding it to my giveaway, which is, I don't know if I've shown it as of late, but it's this makeup bag with several products that I have already started adding to it. Like, I have 2 Juvia'S Place products in it already. I have a City Limit eyeshadow. I have a makeup sponge in here, a foundation, and a little bit of a sample from MAC, which is a powder, a foundation powder, I believe. So that's what's in this giveaway bag, cosmetic bag, that will be going out sometime in December to the lucky recipient. So if it's anything in here that I have already or cannot use, it will be going in there. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, it says it's the Royal, let's see, let's start this way. Juvia'S Place Nubian Intense Pencil Liner in Royal. Smudgy, 12-hour long wear, and it's intense color payoff. So I know I don't have any of their pencils. I don't think I have any of their pencils or anything like that. So let's see what this is. I have not seen any reviews of the boxes or read online where someone has reviewed it on the Juvia'S Place site, but I did not read it. They gave it all stars. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's kind of like a purple lilac. Take it off. There is a blue, because it's called Royal. That is the color. Maybe we can do that better. That is the color. So that is pretty. That is pretty. And this is what the outer packaging looks like. It says Royal. Nice packaging. So that's quite nice. The next thing in here is a Juvia'S Place. I'm going to put on some glasses. Where are my jacked up glasses? Here they are. One arm broken. This is the Juvia'S Place Doo Matte D-U-D-U Dada or Doo Dada maybe. This is a matte what? I don't know what it is. It just says made in USA DU matte, and it's shrink wrapped. I don't know what that is, but it's black, so it could be mascara. I don't want to open it if it's mascara, although I do need a new mascara because after having an eye infection I have to be careful, so I don't know what that is yet. And then I got, oh, this is a pretty packaging. I don't have this. This is the Hair and Glow 2. So this looks like a highlighter. You are a hero. It says, it's gold and rose pearls baked in our new technology to enhance and radiate your features. Okay, so it's made with mica. Why they don't tell you what you're getting? Yeah, I'm not that familiar. So it's a glow product, and it's from Juvia'S Place, of course. I'm not that familiar with their products, so I don't know them right off the bat. This is what the container looks like. And it's kind of like a cardboard packaging that's kind of glossed over. And you get that little bit of product there, which is quite enough. So it is pretty. It's a subtle. Let me put it on a little deeper. I don't have this, so. That glow, can you see it there? Yeah, I thought I would put a little bit on maybe. Ooh, I have a lot on. I put a little bit. Okay. Rather nice. And now let's get into the, so that was the one lip product. Maybe that was the, is that black one a lip product? Anyway, this is the face product. This is an eye product. And you get one palette. And this is it. So yeah, so that black, a lippy. You think that's a black lippy? Okay, I have a black lippy. Not by Juvia'S Place. So this is the palette. And it's the Festival by Juvia'S Place. I do not have this palette. So we will look at it and see what it's like. Let's get my cutter and open it up. And okay, so you got for $16, you got a face palette, eyeliner, so those are your two eye products. You got a highlighter, and it's still a mystery to me. I guess this is a lip product, because that's, it says you get one lippy, but it's black. Okay. Do I have this? No, I don't. No, I don't. I know I don't. Here's what this looks like. No mirror, a pretty face there of characters there, but these are the colors. You may be familiar with this. Beautiful orange in there, some reds, peachy colors, yellow or gold, pink, blue, gray, and a typical gold, and a white. And they all have names. Okay. That's it. I'm not mad at this box at all. Would I have purchased these things on my own? I'm not sure. I like them. The blue pencil, I think I definitely would have purchased that on my own. Eyeliner, I like that one, and I don't think I have that shade of blue. Although I have some sapphires. I don't know if that's quite a sapphire. The black lippy, I do have a black lippy, but I think it's from NYX or someplace like that. So I would not have purchased this because I already have one. This Hair and Glow, I do have a glow by Juvia'S Place, but I do like the packaging in black here. I would have probably purchased something like this. But I have to say this palette, probably I would not have purchased this one. but it's very pretty and I'm glad to have it in my collection. So again, if you're interested in getting this mystery box from Juvia'S Place, you better get busy with it. I don't know if all the boxes are the same. This is, like I said, my first time doing this, but it's only $16. It has a $58 value and they ship it out rather fast. So if you have any codes, apply those. If you're a Rakuten member, go ahead and use that so you get your 4% back. Yeah, and it's just a little fun way to celebrate the season. Alrighty, on my eyes I am wearing my Morphe 35F Fall into Fall or whatever, Fall into Fabulous palette. I have the orange and black on my eyes. So I'm trying to make use of that palette before it's time to shop my stash, which by the way is coming up this Thursday, and you may see some of these products in my shop my stash because I do have to put them to use, and this is a good month to do so. I'm not sure if any of these products are going to make it into the giveaway bag. I'm toying with this one, but you can always use a nice black lippy, especially this time of the year. But we shall see. Alrighty, you guys stay well. If you have any thoughts on this mystery box, let me know down in the comment section. I like to hear what you have to say on the products I received. If you are familiar with this palette, let me know how it performs and anything else that I have here. Stay well, and I'll see you on Thursday.